Welcome to the ARTES 600 product presentation. ARTES 600 is the compact and universal solution for testing all types of protection relays. ARTES 600 makes light work of highly complex test tasks, 4 voltage outputs and 6 current outputs, which can provide particularly high output power, allow 3-phase testing on static, digital, and self-powered relays. Even 3-phase tests on differential protection relays can be carried out without additional equipment. ARTES 600 is the perfect answer to the need to combine high output power and high amplifier accuracy in one device. With powerful high-precision amplifiers, multifunctional measurement inputs, and, last but not least, simpling, handling, and operation, ARTES 600 is the ideal solution for professional 3-phase relay testing. The new internal TJCP operator interface is a special feature. Its high-resolution 5-inch touchscreen with smart touch technology enables many tests to be carried out quickly and easily without having to connect to an external PC. User actions carried out with the ergonomic jog wheel, such as amplitude, phase angle, or frequency adjustments, are processed in real time and executed without delay. An illuminated ring integrated in the jog wheel and additional acoustic signals indicate system status during settings and tests. The new TJCP operator interface also provides a wide range of communication interfaces, such as USB, 3x Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and an internal GPS receiver unit. More than 20 years of experience in developing and manufacturing automatic relay test systems have gone into creating the 4th generation of ARTES test instruments. Despite increasing the power and the number of channels, it was possible to retain the positive features of its predecessor, including the compact and robust design, low weight, and low noise level. However, the new hardware does not only provide higher power, it also offers a number of special features which provide added value and make ARTES 600 even more versatile. 12 multifunction inputs are assigned to 6 galvanically separated groups. These inputs can be used for analog quantities as well as for binary signals. The current amplifiers provide a maximum test current of 6 × 32 amps. Parallel operation of the current outputs allows output of up to 3 × 64 amps for 3-phase applications and up to 96 amps for 1-phase applications. 3 voltages and 3 currents can alternatively be picked up via the generator socket. The device to be tested can be connected to the test instrument simply, correctly, and quickly using a generator connection cable. Special low-level outputs with very high accuracy make it possible to test protection devices with low-level signal inputs. The separate DC supply can be used to power the test object. For example, the range is between 12 and 260 VDC. During output, 4 binary signals can be output in real time parallel to the analog quantities. The user can tell at a glance which outputs are active and can easily identify the states of the binary inputs and outputs. All connections and interfaces are located on the front panel. This means that the ARTES 600 can be operated in an upright position if there's not enough space or if no table is available. As a rule, all test tasks can be carried out using the integrated control panel. The ARTES PC software is a tool which can really simplify, automate, and speed up tests for complex protection functions. For more information, go to www.kocos.com.